YouTube or whoever else is watching. Facebook, Twitter, the other stupid websites, and Daily Boob. Yeah, Daily Boob's like the best. Heather's a new whore to Daily Boob. She's like Daily Boobs every day, all day. Yeah, I love her. She's like amazing, and she like changed my life completely. But she already knows that, and like, well, yeah, that's like a hug through a screen. Can't really see it. So yeah, I just discovered the bubble wrap keychain, and it's like, whoa, like, oh, I can't believe it exists. I've been bubble wrapping, popping all day, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, it's like amazing. Yeah, my brother might be coming back to New Zealand soon, so there'll be more people here to annoy. Nah, not to annoy. Like I don't do that shit. Yeah. Oh, it's Friday. Did I mention it's Friday? Friday the not 13th. Not, can't even talk normally. I don't need to go toilet. I'm just sliding on the floor because it's like. Whoo. Oh yeah, and I want to say hi to Flea because she gave me a shout out the other day, and I'm like, oh, made me. Oh, sister's home. Hey, bro, come be in my video.
What?
Come be in my video.
Be in it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, quick video. Almost over. Come on, bro.
I'm right
Your
here.
ass here.
Oh.
That's her eyes anyway. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. Pop. Goes the dock on the clock. Alright, ending now.
Bye.
Video over.